The state of Arizona is cracking down on an alleged Medicare fraud scheme taking advantage of vulnerable Native Americans. Governor Katie Hobbs announcing a new action to stop fraud and abuse just months after Fox 10's investigative series called Preying on a People. Fox 10 investigator Justin Lum joins us live from the Capitol tonight with the latest. Justin.
And today, Christina, Governor Hobbs was backed by the state's attorney general, several indigenous leaders, and the director of Access, the agency responsible for paying out what the Office of the Inspector General calls significant increases in billing for outpatient behavioral health services to alleged criminal enterprises targeting Native Americans. Governor Katie Hobbs calling out more than 100 registered providers of Medicaid services
that we have credible reason to believe have defrauded the state's Medicaid program of hundreds of millions of dollars.
The official warning months after the FBI announced its investigation into whether some sober living homes and group homes are involved in fraudulent billing practices.
I believe the state of Arizona owes our tribal nations an apology.
A scheme of human trafficking and healthcare fraud. Some indigenous leaders calling it white van syndrome, saying their people are enticed, picked up in vehicles, and allegedly left unsupervised in valley homes and neighborhoods to use alcohol and drugs.
They're ODing from fentanyl, and I'll just quickly share my story. We were at a missing and murdered indigenous MMIWP in December. My phone kept going off. And during the meeting, we were in for 4 hours, and I didn't recognize the number, and it was my niece. She was calling because her sister was missing, and we got word that she might have deceased in a sober living home in Glendale. It took us 2 days to find her because what they're also doing is taking them straight to the mortuary instead of the coroners.
I asked Attorney General Chris Mays if she will hold those responsible for people dying accountable. She says she will prosecute to the fullest extent of the law.
If we have evidence where individual operators of these facilities are negligent for people dying, we've also heard reports of rapes that have occurred inside these homes. This is tragic.
The FBI told Fox 10 it's believed unlicensed facilities get kickback money from licensed homes that bill Access.
We have suspended payments to approximately 100 Medicaid providers based on credible allegations of fraud.
Carmen Heredia, appointed by the governor as the director of the Arizona Healthcare Cost Containment System last December.
Access also needs to be held accountable for allowing this to happen for the last 3 years.
And Attorney General Mays says the AG's office has indicted more than 40 people, seized and recovered about $75 million over the last few years. Access is also doing an internal audit to really assess how much financial damage has been done. And there's also a fraud hotline for tips. For more information on that, head to fox10phoenix.com. Live at the state capitol, Justin Lum, Fox 10 News.